So we were at a oddities market in Alameda, and part of it was a sidewalk area. And we ran into this store called the Feathered Outlaw, and it was pretty neat, pretty intriguing. I decided to do a short video of it. So you can see here the window is very nice. They had some really cool crystals and some metaphysical type stuff like tarot cards. Like these are all decks of tarot. Look at this ball. It's like an amethyst crystal ball. It's pretty awesome. And there's more. I have cards. There's just a lot of neat stuff in this store. Look at this piece of wood. I think it's it's actually a piece of rock. Yeah, candles here. And different books about different things. Had some over here that are interesting witchcraft books, art and spiritual healing, badass ancestors, everyday witchcraft. There's good witches and bad witches. You just got to decide who you're going to be if you use that. I forgot the name of that stone, but it's pretty cool. But you can see the jewelry here is nice. The selection is really cool. It's a cool little store, actually. And the lady that works here was extremely friendly. Came up to us and greeted us, but said she would be with us when she was finished with her customer. But very nice. Little bells, I guess, for whatever you want to sell them on to. Reminds me of belly dancers. Basic witch kit. There's like a whole, you can do a potion or cast a spell. Charcoal, candles, protection card. You know, years ago I knew a guy, and he said his wife got into witchcraft, and he told me that it's some serious stuff that you don't want to be messing around with unless you know what you're doing. Yeah, great selection of incense here, and essential oils, of course. Interesting, they have railroad ties there, spike ties. Look at that skull, crystal skull. It's pretty awesome. Another crystal skull. I like those rocks, are like pyramids. More skulls. Laborite, I think it's called. If any of you gem experts are, let me know in the comments what that is. It's cool. The cards tell you all the properties of the stones and what you can use them for. Look at this. That's awesome. It's like a butterfly wing. Jeez. Lots of beautiful stones in here. Stuff here for love, compassion, and envy. Emotional body. Tiger's eye. Check those out. Those are pretty cool. Look like puppets or something. And they do tarot readings here. When they're not busy. I think there's only one lady here today, so. And don't forget, we're still in COVID. Wow, look at that. That's the counter. And they got all these different, cedar, and I guess if you need it to make potions with. Reminds me of that show. What was it really popular? Oh, Charmed. They're always using potions to cast spells on people. The skull's cool. Those are like Egyptian god necklace. Earrings. Various colors of candles. You can see these guys have a little bit of everything. Look at all the amethysts they got there. Wow, big old. Not sure what all these are exactly, but they're pretty neat. It's very nice. As you can see, this little store has got a lot of stuff. So, this store is in Alameda, California, which is an island right off of Oakland. If you're curious where it is. I got these cases here with special items in them. Well, as you can see, this is a pretty awesome store. So if you're into this kind of things and want a neat store to shop at, I would swing by this place. It's pretty cool. So thanks for watching the video. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep feeding you more interesting videos like this. All right, thanks everyone. I'll see you next time.